What is up, everyone? This is your boy Eddie here on Texas Reeling. I hope you guys are having a good one. So I was out here fooling around with my boat, my fishing stuff, getting it ready for this weekend when I go out and film a video for you guys. And I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of this video that you're about to watch. I didn't shoot an intro while I was out there, so that's why I'm doing it like this. So me and my brother-in-law went out there. We went out there on a really windy day. We knew it was gonna be windy, but we decided to go try it anyways, and we kind of just stuck to those back cuts. Sorry about that. There's a truck coming by. I'm outside, but we stuck to the back cuts and tried to stay out the wind as much as we could, trying to figure something out. And we were getting a couple bites here and there, but it took us about I would say a good 3 hours before we finally figured out what they wanted to bite, and kind of where we were able to catch a few. So we didn't go out there and we didn't catch a ton of them. We didn't catch no giants, but we did catch some fish. I was only expecting to catch maybe one or two, and maybe I was hoping for one good one, but that didn't happen. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Don't forget to hit that like button, and most importantly, guys, don't forget to keep it real. You guys enjoy the video. Well, here we are again. I don't think I've caught a fish on a chatterbait in a long time. I've been throwing it, just ain't been able to catch nothing with it. Depends what size boat you got. Depends what size of back boat you got.
There's one. 1500 to be able to
find them.
get a crop.
Yes. Success. Success. On the lizard. He was right on that tree. I cast it in between those two trees. I want to thank my mom, my dad. Good Lord. Thank you. Like they do it in the tournaments. They hold them up like this.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
So embarrassing. School of them right there.
It only took us about, what, 3 hours to catch that one? Woo! What a grind. What a grind.
We're on that lizard pattern.
Yeah, we're on the lizard bite. For real, you've been fishing 6 hours, only got one fish. Talking about we on the lizard bite. Nice. A bad one. On the lizard. I'm gonna look like the one I caught. And I got a pretty color to him.
We can go. I think mine was bigger.
I don't know. I think mine had you about half an inch maybe.
Woo! Call me Ric Flair. Woo!
10. Might as well. I mean, we never fished it. Look at that turtle sunbathing.
Yeah. Go over there and we can work our way this way.
That way?
That corner right there.
A little bit of that grass.
Yeah. 5 feet.
Got him? He was on too for a second. I saw that.
You heard my line?
Yep. You had him for a second?
Yeah.
When I turned around, you were still reeling them in with the rod bent. I cast it on the other side of it, but I ain't got no bite. Got him that time? Nice. You came back for it, huh? Long. Yeah, he's longer.
That's 3.
Yeah.
You told him. I'm gonna tell you right where you were.
Nope.
You gotta catch another fish. Oh, I seen it. I seen it.
Yes, sir.
That's a black bass.
Yep. He's fat too.
Yep.
Nice little fatty.
He got it on the way down, huh?
Dang, his body's like skinny and then his stomach just bulging out. Yeah. Yeah, he got it on the way down. He took off with it. I never felt him hit it. I just saw my line kind of.
I saw your rod loading up.
So his line just took off. I knew there had to be one on this tree somewhere. It looked too good. Plus, that's kind of what we've been catching them on. I bet that tree has one. That one right there. Well, they're in the back cut. Trying to find that wing probably. There's one.
Good one?
It's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger.
A little bit bigger.
You called it.
Number 5. I sure did, huh? Number 5. Yes, sir.
Grinding it out. Man, fishing right here makes it seem like it ain't nothing out there. Like windy.
Then you get all in it. Can't even cast. Oh, there he is.
Looks like a good one.
No, that's a little one. Oh, a fighter. I was from the boat flip and he took off again. Get in here, little rascal.
Oh, right. You know he's been shallow.
Yeah, he's been real shallow. Looking good too. Got a little sore on him. Go get big, brother. Go get big.